birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we can see Pune is witnessing lots of celebrations, unity and together. Right now we are standing at Dandekar Pool. As you can see just back beside me, there is a 40 feet tall Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar statue that is happening in full spirit. You can see a grand 40 feet tall statue of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, which has become the center of attraction here today. The statue is beautifully decorated with rose mala, giving it a very respectful and grace look. People are continuously coming forward and taking pictures, and even you can see the barricades are placed over there. People are enjoying this festival around us. The energy is vibrant and joyful. On the roads, even children are happily waving Jai Bhim flags, dancing and enjoying the music. We can see the songs are played loudly and the entire area is filled with excitement and pride. Families, youth and senior citizens, everyone has gathered here to celebrate and remember Baba Saheb today. Earlier today we have seen where lakhs of followers gathered to pay tribute. The entire atmosphere was filled with chants of Jai Bhim, creating a powerful and emotional environment. The area had turned into a blue wave with people carrying blue flags, wearing a good attire and coming together from Pune and nearby regions. Despite the massive crowd, everything was well managed with strong police presence and proper traffic arrangements. Also, several leaders, including the state leader Chandrakant Patil, were present to offer tributes. The mayor, deputy mayor and the corporates from different parties also marked their presence. As we have seen across Pune, similar celebrations are taking place with cultural programs, speeches and social initiatives. What stands out today is not just the crowd but deep emotion, respect, gratitude and pride for the man who gave India its constitution and fought for the equality. Today it is not just a celebration, it is a reminder of Baba Saheb's vision and his meaning of equality. As we have seen on the chowk, the statue that is capturing the eyes of the people who are passing by the nearby roads, this 40 feet tall statue is a major and main attraction of this road. As we can see, even the barricades are placed over there. They are cute little children, parents standing right front of the statue and taking pictures, and we have seen even barricades are placed over there. Children are enjoying over there, and we have seen even the traffic is well managed over here. From Dandekar Pool to Pune station, one thing is very clear, that Baba Saheb legacy continues to inspire many generations. As we have seen the person who have been over here, and we have seen the celebration is placed not only in Pune, in many parts of the city. That could be from Dandekar Chowk to Pune station. Every road is filled with Jai Bhim flags and people are enjoying, and especially children dancing on the songs and everything. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.